Welcome to our guide on how to withdraw money from Expert Option using your mobile device. Let's get started. Before you withdraw, ensure you have sufficient balance and have completed identity verification. Now, let's access the withdrawal section in the app. Open the menu and click on the withdrawal option. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. You can select from bank transfers, e-wallets, and more. When filling out your withdrawal request, make sure to provide key information, your amount, method, and account details. Be aware of withdrawal limits and associated fees with different payment methods. Check before submitting. After you submit the withdrawal, expect your funds within the specified time frame, depending on your chosen method. If you face issues, common problems include insufficient balance or pending verification. Check these first. Always review your withdrawal for security and ensure you're satisfied with the process. In conclusion, follow these steps for a smooth withdrawal experience. Remember, safe trading practices lead to success.